Gloves on. See this? It's hot outside. Sun is beaming.
Come here, girl, let me get inside you. Come here, girl, let me get
Come pick up your
Hey y'all. Yeah, I know y'all ain't seen his face in a long time. But I'm back. Y'all, life has been lifing. But I'm doing so much better now. That's why I've been going for so long. But I'm doing a lot better, y'all. I've been praying, I've been talking to God. I've just been doing a lot of things to better myself. So we're gonna get right back on this path. We're gonna start back taking this content stuff serious. I have a lot of things I want, well, not even a lot of things. It's not a lot that I have to do today, but I still want to pick up the camera and record, so we're gonna do that. Oh, I also got my nails done yesterday, y'all. I should have recorded, but I got my nails done yesterday. I have a lot of things I need to do. I keep saying a lot of things, but it's not a lot. I got to put gas in my car. Gas is high right now, y'all. Gas is high. Gas is high. I need to go to the car wash. And I need to do a lot of planning because I'm gonna update y'all a little later, but your girl is getting out the military at the end of this year, so I have a lot of planning to do. I have a lot of things that I want to get done and I need to plan for, but I'm going to detail a little bit later whenever I do start doing it. But I just wanted to turn the camera on for y'all. Let me get my phone. It is 10:05, Friday, March 20th. I woke up around like 8, but I just been in the bed ever since. But I'm up now. I'm gonna take a shower, get ready, get dressed, do my face routine, all that. But yeah, I just want to come up here and do my intro. So now I haven't seen you in a minute, but y'all, your girl is doing so much better. Life is starting to play out the way I feel like it should, and yeah, life is good now. Life is good. Life is really, really, really good, and I know God got a lot in store for me, and I know He's gonna show me. He's gonna open my eyes even more. He's gonna show me that everything I did it for a reason. But I also might do other things today. I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna let the day plan out and see how it goes. So I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get out the shower and I'm dressed. So I'm gonna see y'all later. We back, y'all. We back and I'm dressed and I'm ready to go. I didn't put nothing crazy on because I don't plan on being out all day because it's hot. It's gonna be hot today, and if you know me and the sun do not get along very well. So I just have this purple shirt on. I have these gray joggers on. Let me see if I can make y'all. These gray joggers on, and then I just have my MK slides on. I'm gonna be out all day. So now we're about to go, and I'm gonna see y'all in a second. See this? It's hot outside. Sun is beaming. It's hot. It's pretty, but it's hot outside. And my car is all the way across the street. But we just, we're gonna do a couple things today. Nothing crazy. I gotta go get some gas first. That's my first stop at the gas station. So y'all can't see just yet, but my baby is sitting over there and she needs to be washed ASAP. Because if y'all stay down here, y'all know your car ain't gonna never stay clean. Never stay clean. Y'all see my baby. It don't really need to be cleaned out like that either. It really just need to be washed. So it's so hot. Look at my baby, y'all. Like, what? She's so cute. Ooh. We gotta turn this AC on. ASAP. Let's see. I wish I had a car tripod, but I don't. I really don't. And I know it's gonna fall. I know it's gonna fall. I know it's gonna fall, y'all. I know it is. I hope y'all can hear me over the AC. It's hot. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all when I get to the gas station. Y'all, I'm done at the car wash. I don't have to do too much because I vacuumed it the other day. It just need to be washed again, but now I'm about to go back on base. So I need to get my kick out. Should I show y'all the car? Y'all want to see the car? I'm gonna show y'all the car. Let me turn the camera around. She's cute, right? Okay. Alright, well, I'm gonna see y'all whenever I get back to my room. Alright, y'all, I just made it back to my barracks, but it's been a change of plans. My homegirl just called me and told me she wanted me to come to her house, so I'm gonna go over there. I had literally just pulled back up too, and she was like, come over here, and I'm like, okay, I'm going over there. I think she's doing hair right now too, but I gotta see. I might record while I'm over there, I might not. I don't know how she feels. But we might go somewhere tonight, she said, so we gonna see. But I'll make sure I keep y'all updated. I know y'all just see me wash my car. My car needs it real bad. So yeah. But I'm gonna make sure I'll hop back on the camera later.
Hello.